Kayo po ba'y na-shock na nasama po kayo sa magic list?
Actually, second time na ito yung nakalista ako. Yung una, I was number 1.
You were number 1?
Alphabetical order Oo.
Okay.
Pangalawa si Romy Acop, si Romy Acop wala na, di ba? So, I didn't even mind it.
You didn't mind it then?
That sabi sa panahon ko, hindi mahalaga to. Wala na mga basihan yan.
Right.
There's no base, so I kept quiet about it.
Then,
Pero ngayon, pangalawa na, nasa hearing, number 7 na ako. Number 7 na ako.
So, napipikon po kayo, hindi na kayo number 1.
Hindi.
Okay. Number 7 na lang kayo ngayon.
Number 7 na lang
How different is the list before and today?
I really do not know, Corina. I don't know. I do not know how they got the list. I do not know how they actually crafted or made the list, Pero I strongly deny the allegations. I think it's highly libelous and wala silang ebidensya dyan. It's not even notarized, not even signed by the 18 Marines, no?
You mean their affidavit?
Yes, yes. The thing is this, sabi ko, why don't they go to the proper forum, for example? Why should they go to a committee hearing in Congress or in the Senate? Because in Congressman, wala namang conviction dun eh. It's just like investigating the whole thing. Wala namang mangyayari dyan eh.
Ano po sa palagay ninyo ang motibo? Kung sabihin pong hindi naman totoo lahat yan, bakit po nasama ang pangalan ninyo?
Well, I think it's politics. It's politics because that never happened to me. I became a congressman in 2004, and I was an outstanding congressman several times, no? And that never happened to me. Nangyari lang yan. Ngayon, nagkaroon kami ng Quadcom. Ako nag-endorse ng impeachment complaint. So, sabi ko, ngayon lang nangyari sa akin to.
So, kayo po'y sumasang-ayon na tulad ng mga obserbasyon ng iba pang mga nasa listahan that you all have something in common.
Palagay ko. I think it's plain politics. I mean, ano to, ganti ba ito? O ano ba, talagang pinipigilan ba kami? Or is that trying to deter us from exposing the truth? Inaano ko, o kaya naman ito ba ay diversionary tactic na ginagawa para malaman ng taong bayan na ito pala mga taong ito, hindi pala dapat mag-imbestiga ito.
Ano po yung inyong initial reaction to the hearing conducted by the Cayetano Block? Lahat po ng mga ex-Marines nandun, the Maleta Boys, at nagbanggit na nga po sila ng mga pangalan. How would you describe it? Because it has been called a bogus hearing.
To me, it's kind of a masasabi ko rin bogus hearing yan. Because pinalitan na sila eh. The thing is, they did not even object, to the changes, no? They accepted all of the changes. Pinalitan na sila eh. So, I would even think that they are unauthorized to call for a hearing. And that is now upon the judgment of the new majority.
So kumbaga, in so many ways, parang acknowledge din po ni Senator Cayetano that yes, there is a Senate pro tempore, but for a new Senate president to come up, they need 13.
Yes.
So which means to say that the change of the chairmanships is recognized by the minority.
Yes. I'm wondering why it is recognized. If the Senate president actually did not recognize that, he should have fought vehemently for it.
Okay. Well, I think this is vehement enough for him. So palagay po ba ninyo, aabot ito ng special session? You think the president will want to be entangled in all of this?
I hope hindi aabot yan to kasi the SONA is very, very important, no? And the people should know what is happening in the administration. So I'm hoping that the Senate would sit down and talk about this peacefully, and everything will be just fine, And then the SONA comes in, senators sit down with the congressmen. But
Well,
let bygones be bygones, eka nga.
you are a very positive thinker because ang pinagdadasalaman po ng iba, sana may tumalon na lang na isa pa. Tapos na ang usapan. Okay, so this morning you filed a criminal complaints plural,
Yes.
for libel and cyber libel against the 18 Maleta boys. Okay, so this morning you filed criminal complaints.
I
Ang
did.
ibig po bang sabihin nun, just like with Congresswoman Jervil Luistro, it had to be 18 complaints
yes.
against all.
18 complaints, including Attorney Baligot, so that's 19, no? Including the DWSI, because they were the ones that actually spoke of the libelous salaysay. Oo.
okay.
Ibig sabihin, bakit minidya muna, no? They could have gone to the right forum about that.
Okay, so wala po bang paliwanag kung bakit daw sila nagdala ng maleta sa inyo? Ilang maleta at magkano daw ang laman?
Alam mo, tinanong din ako kanina, sabi ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam yung maletang yan. Wala silang sinabing numero. Hindi sinabi kung magkano.
At kung para saan?
At hindi sinabing kung yan ay pera, kung para saan yan, kung ano reason dyan. Actually, I'm really ignorant about it.
Right. Are there photos at all about...
Wala.
Wala.
Walang photos. So,
So, hindi
in fact,
natin alam kung yung
ako
maleta
nga,
ay...
Ako nga, gusto ko nga makipagkita ron sa 18 para, okay, kilala nyo ba ako? O nagbit pa tayo? O kilala ko ba kayo? Ganun ba?
I see.
Oo.
So, but in
Alam
their...
nyo ba yung address ko?
Right, oo. So sa kanila pong mga pahayag, hindi po nila sinabing kayo po'y nagkita o hindi binanggit ang inyong address?
Hindi.
So nagbanggit lang po talaga ng mga pangalan?
Nagpagilan ng mga pangalan. Nakatanggap ng maleta, ito. Pero walang sinabi kung ilang maleta. Ang natanggap ko, walang sinabi kung ang laman yan, pera. Walang sinabi kung magkano yan. O walang sinabi kung anong purpose yan. In fact, when we were actually doing the Quadcom, no? After the Quadcom, nagkaroon pa ng chismis na every week daw binibigyan kami ng envelope.
Nino?
Hindi ko alam kung sino. Basta
Okay.
ang sabing ganyan, binibigyan kami ng envelope.
Sana all.
Sabi ko, ngayon maleta na, hindi na envelope, ngayon maleta na.
Oo nga po, dapat din natin malaman kung yung maleta ay mamahalin, like LV, o kaya dyan lang sa Divisoria binili. So, how will the case prosper? Now, it's been filed. Hindi lang po kayo ang nag-file ng kaso. Mula sa iba't ibang mga lugar, ang pag-file po ng mga kaso, meron din nag-file
Yes.
dito sa Malayo. So,
Quezon City, may nagfile sa Surigao.
right.
Oo,
Okay. So,
sa Ellis Barber.
how do you see this? If they issue an apology, will you accept it? They retract like what they did with Senator Loren Legarda?
Well, publicly, if they issue an apology, why not? Di ba? I mean, hindi naman ako mahirap kausapin tungkol dyan, di ba? If they issue an apology that they made a mistake, including my name, fine. In fact, I know Attorney Baligot, when I became a congressman in 2004, Corina, he was recommended to me as my legal officer. He knows me real well. He knows my character. He knows my attitude. He knew me. Oo. Alam niya na ngayon lang yan eh. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ko akalain bakit ngayon lang.
Sabi nga sa politika, wala naman po daw permanenteng magkakaibigan.
Wala.
O magkaaway. Pwede rin kayo magkabati ulit.
Pero alam mo, hindi kami naging magkaaway ha. Kailan ba kami nagkita? I think I saw him some months back sa isang birthday party and he's okay. And all of a sudden, pang!
Depende po yata sa inspirasyon. So, having said that, ano po sa palagay ninyo ang inspirasyon nitong 18 bagmen o Maleta boys? I mean,
Well,
they are putting on the line their reputation, their family safety, their own safety.
You know,
for what?
I have always supported our soldiers, Corina. I mean, they're doing a good job. They're doing a good work, no? Pero itong mga ex-Marines na ito, I do not know what happened to them, no? I heard that they have been paid. That's what I heard.
Yan po yung marites
They have been
talaga.
paid. Oo. Now, hindi ko masyado sinasabi yan, pero they have been paid, each of them were paid 2 million pesos. Promise pala, promise. Tapos, ang binigay lamang sa nila is 500,000. Oo, yan po unang bayad. I do not know if they ever got the 2 million.
Reliable source?
Medyo reliable naman yung investigasyon namin.
I see. Okay.
Oo.
So you had it
Hindi ko lang alam yung
investigated.
sinabi nung sinabi ng NBI about the 5 million thing.
Oo, iba pa yung 5 million.
Iba pa yun.
Oo.
Iba pa yun, ha? Oo.
May 14 daw po na madadagdag pa. Have you heard about that?
Naku, meron pa 14 na i-complain ko.
Kung paninindigan yung
Yes.
listahan,
yes,
ano?
Yes. Oo.
You have any idea? You say you have your own investigation. Ano po ang idadagdag ng 14? Do you have any idea?
I don't have any idea at all. Di ko alam kung ano mga sabihin nila kasi talagang ako wala eh. As in, talagang wala. Talagang misleading ito. This is harassment to me. It's an harassment to me because I never experienced those things even before.
Okay. So, do you expect a confrontation in the hearing between the Maleta boys and yourself?
Well, if I'm thinking if we are invited in the proper and official committee hearing, I do not know if I'm going to come, no? Because alam mo naman, merong parliamentary courtesy between the Senate and Congress, no? So I do not know if I'm going to be able to come. Or in reality, Corina, I really would like to meet those people. I want them to see my face. You see
Correct.
that? Para makita nila, ito. Tatanungin ko rin sila, ano ba, saan ako nakatira? Anong address ko?
Sir, just to clarify, you mean you have the option not to attend even if you are invited by the
I have the option. I'll just say it's parliamentary courtesy that pareho tayo, legislature yan, or I could be able to attend
Right.
and perhaps speak my own piece.
So this is really for the consumption of the public kasi hindi naman
Yes.
po siya judiciary, no?
Yes.
Hindi siya
Oo.
korte talaga.
Totoo yan. Tama yung sanayan mo, it's a public consumption lang
It's
yan.
for public consumption.
Oo.
Pero maganda rin siguro na talagang magkaroon ng konfrontasyon para masarado na po yung usapan at kontrobersya tungkol sa pagkatao ng 18.
In fact, I'm even surprised that Attorney Baligod is right. He is not even a resource speaker. Ang mga resource speaker are those 18 Marines. In our hearings, because I conduct hearings also, ang mga abogado is just behind the resource speakers. They do not speak. They don't speak.
Okay.
Pero ito, nakakapagtaka, it is not the resource speakers that are actually speaking.
It's the
It
lawyer.
is the lawyer. Oo. Halos lahat yan, abogado nag-speak.
Okay, but is there anything unacceptable in a Senate hearing that it will be the lawyer speaking for the 18?
When it comes to the rules, it's unacceptable. Yes.
Kailangan talaga yung mga marino.
Pag may nag-motion dyan na hindi dapat siya magsalita, papakinggan ng chairman yan.
Yes. Have you been monitoring about the inconsistencies or the factual errors of the
Actually, no,
affidavit?
I don't have even the time for that. No, I'm kind of a busy man. Pero narinig ko lang, ang kagabi monitor ko, yung testimony ni Director Matibag. And he said a lot of things legally that they're very weak ang kanilang evidence. Very weak ang kanilang salaysay. Yun yung sabi ni Matibag eh. And I would agree with that. Very weak. Wala naman silang ebidensya. Anong ebidensya nila?
So nagkasabay-sabay po lahat ito, no? Kaya tayo nagugulo ngayon in aside from the flood control scandal. What do you think will be key so that this doesn't happen again? Una, sinabi nga po ninyo, to end the gridlock, one of them has to give way o mag-usap
Yes.
o may tumalon para magkaroon na ng 13.
Oo.
May nababalitaan po ba kayo doon? Baka may alam kayo na hindi namin alam.
Wala ako.
Wala kayong
wala
alam?
ako nababalitaan. Hindi ko kinakausap.
Wala
yung
talaga, ha?
lahat ng mga senador, kaibigan ko din. No?
Okay.
Hindi ko, I'm not even calling them or even texting
You're not
them.
interested?
No, not interested.
But that would end the gridlock, definitely.
That
right?
would end the gridlock, yes. In fact, Bam Aquino made a statement that I think in a few days, may tatalon eh.
Ganun po.
Sabi niya.
Oo nga busy-busy na daw sila sa likod ng telon. Okay, so one last question. So that this doesn't happen again, do you think that it's time na marepaso po ang Senate rules and House rules so that, we know exactly what protective custody is, so that we know 13, 12, 11, 6, 7,
Sa akin, I'm not trying to teach them what they should do, no. But an advice to a fellow legislator, I think that either the two of them talk together. It's a diplomacy thing, di ba? Rather than quarreling in the social media. No, or perhaps it is now high time for the president to call for a special session. And then all of them will be together, and then they vote.
And act like statesmen.
Yes, act like statement. And they vote. Whoever gets the majority becomes Senate president. That's it. Yun lang, matatapos yan. Tapos na yan. Tapos na yung gridlock.
Hari nawa, kayo po ay magdilang ang